So what happens at your first court undertaking appearance? Whether or not you have experience in the criminal justice system, the first court experience can often at times be confusing and stressful. If you're released from police custody in what's called an undertaking, you'll be given a signed form telling you a date, time and court for you to attend. You'll be served once at court a copy of the papers, namely the allegation that you've been charged with, and one of our experienced solicitors will be in attendance with you. We'll discuss the nature of the charge and take instructions on the evidence that is available. If the case is being prosecuted at summary level, in all likelihood the matter will be continued for about 3 or 4 weeks for what's called disclosure. In essence, this means you'll not formally enter a plea of guilty or not guilty until the evidence in the case has been sent to our office, whereby we'll get you in, talk about it and discuss all the options that are open to you. If the matter is being prosecuted at solemn level, you would formally make no plea and the case would be continued. Our solicitor in court will guide you through each step of the process and be able to answer any questions or queries you may have. Upon doing either of those things, the Crown Procurator Fiscal may seek special conditions of bail. These will vary and are largely dependent on the types of charges that are normally restrict you from speaking or having any contact with those involved in the case, and can sometimes include restrictions such as a curfew. It is important that you are fully aware of these conditions, as failure to abide by them can itself be a separate offence. If there are circumstances that the court needs to be aware of involving the acceptance or otherwise of these special conditions, make sure one of our solicitors is aware and we can make the necessary submissions and explore the options of trying to have these amended. We at Charles Ferguson Solicitors have been representing clients in Hamilton and elsewhere for over 2 decades. It's important when entering the criminal justice system you have an experienced solicitor explaining the steps to you, offering guidance and protecting your legal rights. Our thousands of clients over the years will testify to our compassion, care and professionalism at every turn. Should you have any questions or upcoming court dates, give us a call on 01698 285 885.